is that on your hair? Please, tell me this is a joke.
Sorry, Mrs. O. We had a little hair dye malfunction.
What a catastrophe! Crown Princess Stella's hair completely ruined. And right under my roof. What will the press say when they find out?
It's only hair, Mrs. O. I actually think it looks quite cool. Don't you think?
Yeah, Mum. This is the latest trend. Haven't you heard? Right, Freya? Yeah, totally.
What will the king and queen say? I have to be the one to tell them, do I? Or maybe not. Stella can sleep here tonight, and we'll take her to the hairdresser's first thing tomorrow and put this nightmare behind us.
Actually, Mum, Stella has to go back home because...
We're having our royal portrait taken tonight. Mrs. O, are you okay?
Mum?
I am the worst royal subject ever. Do you know if they still chop people's heads off? What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Oh no, I have to run or I'll be late. Will your mum be okay?
We'll take care of her. Will you be okay?
I have a plan. I think.
Oh, my God! Is this the new look of the monarchy?